And one of the things I love about the core project is that we start with problems. We ask students, what are you interested in? What should I be learning as an economist? And loud and clear, we get the same answer. Students are interested in basically two things. The big one is inequality or poverty, and the other one is climate change, environment. So I wrote this book, Weikai, and I developed these problems saying, well, if those are the questions you want answers to, what are the analytical and mathematical techniques that you would need to provide decent answers? That's how we decided what goes in the book. So, for example, there are a great many problems having to do with inequality, starting with the measurement of inequality by the Gini coefficient, but including also how wages are set, how interest rates are set, how wages, interest, prices in the goods markets, how these add up to a level of inequality in the society as a whole. And of course, on all of these, you can imagine that you can think of mathematical problems which are solvable. These are not hard math problems, but which force the student to get really engaged in the analytical structure of the arguments that they're using in a precise manner because of the use of math. And we do the same with climate change. One of the first problems the students face is a problem of overfishing a fishery. And then we continue with that problem with more and more sophisticated methods of solving the problem, but including obvious things like optimal permits or privatization of the asset or cooperation among the fishing people. Each of them with solutions to the problems and also then background. For example, about the fisheries question, we even have a small note about Elinor Ostrom and about incomplete contracts. We refer to some of the groups in that literature, going back to Ronald Coase, but also more recent people like Akerlof and Stiglitz and others.